Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your root password in Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system if you forgot your password. So for example, I forgot my login password and now I can no longer log in to my Ubuntu operating system. There is a easy way of resetting your root password so that you have a new password and you can log in with that password. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the restart option here and then just click shut down, and then just be alert, you need to press your shift key here and press restart. Okay, so when you press restart you need to hold your shift key. So just press your shift key and hold it until you can see the recovery menu. Okay, so I will restart my Ubuntu operating system. At the same time I will press my shift key and hold it until I can see the recovery menu. Okay, so I'm still pressing my shift key, and now you will be able to see this kind of a recovery menu. Okay, so in here what you need to do is just press your down key and go to advanced option for Ubuntu and then press enter, and in here just go to this option which says recovery mode. Okay, so just go to this option which says in the last recovery mode and then press enter, and now it's going to open recovery mode. So now you can see your recovery menu. Now in this recovery menu you just need to press your down key once again to reach to this root category, and then once again press enter, and now you can see at the bottom a command line is opened. So in here you need to give some commands. Okay, so I'm going to show you these commands, and I'm also going to paste these command in the description so you can just copy and paste it there, or you can just see them and just type them exactly the same. Okay, so the first command is this command: mount -n-o remount comma read write or rw and then /. Okay, so I'm going to give this command mount, then -n-o remount and then comma read write or rw and then this /, and then press enter, and now give this command. Okay, so just give pass wd or password and then your username. Your username will appear here in the command line after root. Okay, so my username is programming knowledge. Okay, so I will just write pass wd and then the username, which is programming knowledge, and then press enter, and now you can enter your new password. Okay, so it's a new password you can set for your login. So I'm going to give my new password and press enter and retype your new password once again and press enter, and now you can see this message: password update successfully. Okay, so now you can reboot your Ubuntu operating system. Just give this command reboot and press enter, and now it's going to reboot your Ubuntu operating system once again. So I'm going to minimize everything. And now here just give your new password which you have set. Okay, so I'm going to give my new password and press enter, and now I will be able to see my window. So now you can see I have been successfully logged in. So in this way you can reset your root password in Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.